How to set group messaging for SMS reply to all and individual replies on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on messages app. Here click on this profile icon. Scroll down to and click on messages settings. After click on messages settings, scroll down to and click on advanced. After click on advanced, so you will see first option is MMS turn off. So this says group messaging option. So click on group messaging option. So you will select send an MMS to reply all responses. So send an MMS replies to individual replies. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set group messaging for reply SMS to all individual replies on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.